Today I have a small project. I have a DeWalt string trimmer here. The head is starting to wear out on it from tapping on the concrete to release more string. So I had done some research and found that this model of Husqvarna universal one bolts right up, and it's got a little better setup for the releasing of the more string. So let's figure this one out and make a quick fix. So you can see it's literally wearing through. It's really thin plastic right here. So I'm assuming there's some, I see this notch here. I bet there's a hole. There it is. I don't know if you can see that, but I think that hole probably goes all the way through. So that locks this head from spinning so it can just spin right off. Packaging nowadays is so hard to open. I get why they make it so hard. So it's harder to steal. They ended up having to just use scissors no matter what. And there's the head and there's the thread. So I could figure out what kind of thread that is by just looking at it. Okay, after looking at the threads, it's definitely backwards thread. So instead of righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, it's the exact opposite. Righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. Hard to say that backwards, but. So I'll stick the key in here. And then gotta spin this way. So I'll put the camera down and try to do it. I just gotta He-Man it. There we go. Broke free. Nice. There we go. Oh, I wonder if there's supposed to be like there's this little hole all through. I wonder if there's supposed to be like a nut with a pin in here. I wonder if it broke off. Let's see. I don't think so, because can't even get to it. No, nothing. Alright, let's put this new one back on. This is with all my brain power to spin something backwards to tighten it. Which it makes sense. It's just the direction of rotation when you're string trimming. It's always tightening it and not loosening it. Alright, looks like it's already got some string into it. Let's test it out. Alright, this has been a quick video on swapping out to the Husqvarna T35 head. Works great. And definitely a good upgrade and keep this older DeWalt 60 volt string trimmer in service.